Paul, I wanted just to say thank you on behalf of the IATF Auditing YouTube channel for accommodating us. It's been a great opportunity to see a production environment that's slightly different from the normal environments that we see. So I wanted to say thank you for that.
Thank you, Niall, and thank you, SMMT. Bee Lighting, well, the business started in 2006, so we're 16 years old now. Yeah, it's grown from a developer of basically show cars and designing for other tier ones,
yeah,
to now a manufacturer supplying OEMs around the world, with the business exporting 75% of what we make.
Wow.
So yeah, it's a great story and a great team here.
Yeah. How was that for the organisation to sort of understand, to implement the IATF requirements? What was that like?
What I wanted to make sure, and why it's led from the management team, is that the business actually uses IATF, that it becomes part of the system, it becomes part of the whole process of the business, not just a paperwork exercise that we push to the quality team.
Yeah.
That actually, you know, we're going to go into this fully committed. We're going to actually use IATF to develop the business, because, you know, we're a young business. It's actually, you know, it's very useful for finding out where you've got gaps in processes. Also looking at the sort of the way we record information.
And just sort of looking forward, what are some of the challenges or opportunities for the business in the future?
So the biggest challenges, I think, are looking at our sort of, one thing is our carbon footprint. So we're very keen to sort of make sure that that is minimised. The big thing that also impacts us is obviously chip shortage.
Yeah.
Being a lighting manufacturer, it's really an electronic system that lights up these days.
Yeah. Hopefully our audience will really appreciate the videos. We get lots of good feedback from them. So yeah, thank you on behalf of them all of our audience, and obviously us at SMMT and the IAOB YouTube channel.
That's great. Thank you very much.